Estimation of sulfur. The estimation of sulfur in an organic compound is also carried out by Carrier's method, but no silver nitrate is used in this case. Principle. The method is based on the fact that sulfur present in an organic compound can be quantitatively converted into sulfuric acid by heating the compound with fuming nitric acid. Sulfuric acid thus obtained is precipitated as barium sulfate by adding excess of barium chloride solution. From the mass of the barium sulfate thus obtained, percentage of sulfur in the given compound can be calculated. The chemical reaction is the organic compound which contains sulfur in presence of fuming nitric acid oxidizes this sulfur in presence of water, converts it into sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid reacts with barium chloride and forms barium sulfate and hydrogen chloride. Procedure. A known amount of the given organic compound is heated with fuming nitric acid in a Carrier's tube. Sulfur present in the compound gets oxidized to sulfuric acid. The tube is cooled and the contents are transferred into a beaker. The contents of the beaker are warmed about 1 cc of the dilute hydrochloric acid, and excess of barium chloride solution is now added to the beaker. A white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. The precipitate is filtered, washed, dried, and weighed. Calculation. Let the mass of the organic compound taken is equal to W1 gram. Mass of the barium sulfate formed is W2 gram. Molecular mass of barium sulfate, that is atomic mass of barium 137, sulfur 32, oxygen 64, that is 16 into 4 oxygen atom. Total atomic molecular mass is 233. 233 grams of barium sulfate contains 32 grams of sulfur. Therefore, W2 grams of barium sulfate will contain the sulfur amount is equal to 32 by 233 into W2. The mass of sulfur is present is the compound. The mass of the sulfur is present in W1 grams of the compound. That this will give you the amount of sulfur in W1 grams of the compound. Therefore, percentage of sulfur is equal to 32 divided by 233 into W2 into 100 divided by W1, which is the mass of the organic substance. Or percentage of sulfur is equal to 32 by 233 into, in words, mass of the barium sulfate formed, that is this W, into 100 divided by mass of the compound used, that is W1. Now a problem based on this is given here. Try to do this problem and send the answer.